Hello, leitlun mun tini si mirang tong arak zirre rau tu pol nan zaten him huni sin kalau muak le sal tu mi kan zirding mi expression le khatnak kakut zungin dai non lawi le khatnak kan zirding mi chu I had a long week. I had a long week. Ti okay himi I had a long week ti zia hi yang ha si pai ti I had a long week ti chu kar khat sunga hin ni khalai tinak pe si pai mo chu ti si lo le sunni arai zan khwa saw kan ti vek dawin ni man arai tuk tinak mo ahar tuk ti lung aleng tuk tinak te si pai mo ti jang tin nan ruat I had a long week ti chu ti kar khata hin ni saria sikhoi kandung kar khacho avarei chuang veo reitu kin si ka thei tina kha sike ti I had a long week ti zia chu okay I had a long week ti zia chu kar khat pum lum kha bang tukin busy tukin ti natam pi tuanin zin fe tukin tio chor niapin naron man suami kha I had a long week ti I had a long week ti zia chu phundang dewi kan von sim si le ti I had a difficult week ti chun I had a tiring week ti narak bang tuk ti chu ti si lo le I had a stressful week ti na pura rak rit tuk khami kar khatyo chimna ka lai mi pol hi le tlun ram tam pia na tuanin kan wak suak ti atlang pithu in tlong kai ni khati sin tlong kai ni nga tiang na kan tuani zarte zarpi chu kan chol theu ti chun chan khat chu mi nen mi na tuan tla kan ning ti chun chan khat chu sa tau sai la mi tuan tla kan ning ti I had a long week ti chu kar khat pum lum kha na mang chem zo na von man chem zong chia khan I had a long week ti na bang tuk ti katin na von ti thai mo chu ti si lo le I had a long week ti chu past tense si aliam zo mi ti na man chem zo mi chu ti si lo win khami kar khan na mang re ro lai tio thimna ka tong kai ni li thong na von cheng kar kha nam busy tuk ti na bang tuk kar aliam ning khan na ngak lap tuk tio asinan na mang re ro lai khami kha present continuous tense khalin thimna ka this has been a long week ti na mang re ro lai asinan kar aliam ning khan na ngak lap tuk ti this has been a long week ti khal nga thau mo chu ti si lo le khavek kar kha na hua tuk tio I hate long weeks ti busy kar ti vek hi na ngai na zong se lo ti chan spai chu ti si lo le this week is so long ti chun himi expression hi kan man ti ka hin kan facial expression kha ti bang tuk zin fe fiel kan si ronga khan ni siam si te man saling se lo mo thimna ka this has been a long week ti I hate long weeks this week is so long ti khati khan mai kha mu ding mo okay ale ngi kan bia kok na ka jam tin kan mang ding example kan rak ngai ta ding You look stressed? Well, I had a long week. Already? What happened? Just work. I have a new project that's taking forever. You look stressed? Well, I had a long week. Already? What happened? Just work. I have a new project that's taking forever. Okay.himi I had a long week ti mi hi American ophoin rang zeti sal tu won chu pol chun jiang tin an sal ti sile I had a long week ti non lawin ti I had a long week an ti dai mai I had a h kha law h ta na non law ma I had a long week an ti dai mai khami khanan rak thelo pang ning ti rang zati sal tu pol kha okay Ambia ko na ka ve ni thumrong kan ngai sal dingi next lesson akan tonga sal ding o. Bye bye. You look stressed. Well, I had a long week. Already? What happened? Just work. I have a new project that's taking forever. You look stressed. Well, I had a long week. Already? What happened? Just work. I have a new project that's taking forever.